Guys, ituturo ko muna sa inyo guys kung paano mag-drive ng Suzuki minivan. Una guys, susi guys, ipasok nyo sa lagayan niya. Tapos guys, ikutin nyo kaisa guys. Tapos ikutin nyo ikalawa guys. Yan guys, umilaw na guys ang panel board guys. Nakapark tayo guys. Tapos guys, ikutin nyo ikatlo guys. Yung 2 seconds lang guys. Yan na guys. Tapos guys, pansin nyo guys, ito guys, naka-green pa to guys. Ibig sabihin guys, malamig pa yung makina guys. Tapos ito guys, ito yung sign guys sa park brake guys o foot brake guys. Ito guys, ito guys yung brake, at ito guys yung accelerator niya. Tapos guys, hintayin muna guys na mawala to guys, tong green. Pag nawala yung green guys, ibig sabihin guys, mainit na yung makina. At ito pala guys, itong shifter guys, meron dito nakalagay P, ibig sabihin nakapark. At ito guys, itong R reverse, neutral in drive, at second gear, at low gear. Ibig sabihin nito guys, itong dalawa, gagamitin lang to guys pag naka yung pababa na kalsada at saka paahon na kalsada. At ito guys, pindutin nyo to guys kung halimbawa nag-shift ka na guys. Ito, ayan guys, nawala na yung green guys. Ito guys, naka park brake pa tayo guys, foot brake. Ito guys, apakan natin to guys kaisa. Ibig sabihin guys, hindi na tayo naka park brake or foot brake guys. Nawala na yung light niya na red light. Tapos guys, ito guys, kung magsiship na tayo guys, apakan nyo muna itong brake guys. Ito guys, apakan. Tas nakapark tayo guys, magsisip na tayo guys. Pindutin nyo muna to guys. Ito guys, reverse. Naka-reverse na tayo guys. Tapos guys, ito guys, dandahan guys, bitawan yung brake. Tapos ito yung accelerator guys. Dahan-dahan guys. Guys. Naka-reverse tayo guys. Reverse. Ito guys. Guys. Ika-park guys. Ito, pindutin nyo. Park. Ito. Yan guys. Tapos guys, ito magsishift tayo ulit guys ng reverse. Ito guys, pindutin nyo. Okay. Reverse. Guys. 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 Okay. Tapos sa drive naman guys. And okay. And yan guys. Bitawan yung brake guys. Accelerator, dandahan guys. Halalay lang guys yung brake guys. Ayan, halalay. Ayan. Okay, guys. Tapos, lagay natin sa park ulit guys. Ayan guys. Napakadali lang guys. Tapos guys, kung naka-park kayo guys, huwag niyong kalimutan ito guys, yung park brake or foot brake guys. Apakan natin ito guys. Ito guys. Oh. Ito guys. Meron na to guys. Ibig sabihin guys, naka park brake or foot brake na guys. Madali lang guys. Ito pala guys, ang ibig sabihin nito guys, ito guys, ito hazard pala to guys. Tapos ito guys, ito ano to guys, blower niya guys. Saka ito sa aircon guys. Kung pa-aircon, pag ma-aircon guys, pindutin nyo ito, tapos itong AC. Tapos ito guys, off. Pag hindi na kayo mag-aircon. Napakadali lang guys. Basta huwag nyo talaga kalimutan guys na pag nakahinto kayo guys, nakapark talaga guys. Park, tas ito guys, naka foot brake o park brake. Ito guys. Pagpapatakbuhin nyo na guys, ito guys, apakan nyo muna guys. Wala na guys yung sign guys na naka park brake or foot brake guys. Ito guys, pindutin nyo. Kung magsishift ka na guys sa reverse, ito guys, reverse na guys. Guys, apak yung accelerator, dandahan guys. Brake guys, brake guys. As drive naman guys. Ito guys, dandahan guys, brake guys. Ito guys. Then foot brake guys. Brake guys, or park brake. Ayan na guys, madali lang guys.